Hi everybody, this is Brian from Frostler Games and UI Stakeable here, doing our project closeout video for connecting tabletop games in Cardano, our project funded in Fund 9, Dapps Products and Integrations. We felt that tabletop gaming and the physical collectible market was a prime target for integration with Cardano and an untapped market to be reached. We proposed a printed card game product that introduced gamers outside of crypto to the Cardano ecosystem via scannable QR code information cards and Cardano-themed artwork featuring ecosystem builders and pop culture references. We received 35,000 of a requested 52,500. This was spent on manufacturing, marketing, and legal costs, including additional funds of our own. Progress of the project when we went live involved completing the remaining custom card artwork featuring Cardano ecosystem members. This project did take longer than expected. We were not able to keep up in the scope of time, and it included the process of securing permission of Project Catalyst to use their logo in our artwork and printed materials, as well as securing permission from community members to feature them in artwork and the development time that it took to do each custom card. So fun challenges. Advertising and legal costs were much higher than expected. This was the first time we went about the incorporation process of a company and securing our rights via IP trademark. We sought out support from a third party for advertising as well, since this was outside of our area of expertise. It was very helpful, but we learned that our planned advertising timeline needed to be moved up before product launch to be successful and not to be at the end. So this meant spending funding sooner than expected on advertising costs. We did get permission from Daniel Rebar and Catalyst to use already distributed funds for covering advertising costs early, as well as our own additional funds to cover extra. So milestones 1 and 2 were completed, which involved the production of remaining game artwork. Milestones 3, 4, and 5 were not fully completed or fully funded, and this involved production, printing, shipping of the product, legal and tax costs, and advertising. Some of that was completed, some of it wasn't, and this was mostly the production, printing, shipping part. We could not mass produce the product since we did not have the full chunk of funds we needed to do so at that time. Like we would not get the product otherwise, and did try to secure that through additional funding through Kickstarter, and it did not succeed. So it wasn't possible through Catalyst or through Kickstarter. So we had to deliver our product a different way. Uh, what we did achieve, Captivate Cardano Edition is complete. Anyone can buy it or play it. So you can find that on the Game Crafter online store. So they did our prototype printing, and you can get the game there. We'll include a link to that in our description, as well as a link to the print and play files so that anybody that wants to play the game can print it out, cut it out, and play it for free. Our TikTok ads had excellent success with 15,000 views, 8,600 views, and 8,200 views respectively for our 3 videos. Our Facebook ads had 10,000 impressions and a reach of 6,800 people. We had 2 retailers and distributors interested in our product if it was to go to mass production. This was River City Games in Edmonton and Zatu Games in the UK. So we had a huge all-day play event at GameCon Canada from June 13th to 15th with a total attendance of over 35,000 people. Our booth was full every day with players who enjoyed playing games of Captivate for free, and we had many repeat visitors. So we successfully did find out that people enjoyed the game, enjoyed the product, as far as the game itself and the game mechanics. What we did not achieve was making a sale to our intended target market and bringing impactful use cases and driving more adoption to Cardano. The gamers loved the mechanics of the game itself, but did not connect with the Cardano artwork, pop culture references, and cryptocurrency theme. Many actually had hostile reactions to the cryptocurrency connections, stating crypto was a scam, and they wouldn't really connect after that. So they just kind of shut down, and they were very focused on that aspect. This overall regular perspective from gamers regarding cryptocurrency is a problem that our community will need to address if we want further adoption from them. This is perhaps the most major setback we had when attempting to onboard gamers to Captivate. It definitely impacted our ability to sell and market the game and has altered how we'll have to approach any future project work and advertising. So due to higher overall expected costs, we weren't able to mass produce our game without further funding, and this wasn't possible via Catalyst or Kickstarter. We do have the product, so this is the game that you can buy on Game Crafter. It's got the base 52 cards as well as 2 information insert cards featuring Catalyst and Cardano. So what is next? We're developing a digital version of Captivate to better market the game, working on feedback from gamers to make new artwork that is fantasy themed, including an original world and story for Captivate. We run a Kickstarter for this new game, better targeted at our audience that, with a product they want to buy. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate your support and help, and we hope to see you in the future. Thank you.